Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to give you information that how I can replace my Toyota Prius car's windshield wipers and how it happens. And really, if you notice that your windshield is not so clean in rainy days, replace windshield wipers. And let's go to look at how we replace these wipers in here, both sides. Okay, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and when we are taking to replace wipers, firstly we have to lift up this arm in this way. This is first step. And then after that we start to look this area in here, and then we little bit reverse this thing and we move that in little bit in this way, and sometimes we have in here this protective cover. We have to replace this stuff in here. This next step is that we have to open this area in here, and we need flathead screwdriver, and carefully when I open this protective cover in that way, then we can move this our windshield a little bit up and down, and this removal is possible. And now we can see this thing a little bit bigger. When this cover is free, then I can move that in back area. This is this point, and we can look this area that how this system works. Okay, and now we can look this area, and there is really this central part. There is small line in here, and then there is this cover. We might have a little bit different type of these wiper arms, but idea is that firstly we have to get this part, what is now a little bit rusty, like immovable. And then when we take this out, this arm, we can look that area also. There is really this arm, and look that there is this hook. And when we take our windshield wiper, there's central area. There is this part where is holes in here, and these holes we have to install inside that hook. This is the trick, in that way. And now we move that in up, and now it's like lock. This is this thing that how we open these windshield wipers, and especially we have to firstly remove this cover. Sometimes covers are bigger, and after that we only little bit back that in this way, and windshield wiper is free. And look this hole, the inside in this hole in that way, and when I move in up, it automatically locks, and finally this part in position. And now we have made this windshield wiper arm replaced. Okay, and this was this bigger driver side's arm. It is longer in this Toyota Prius car, and in this another area this passenger drive is similar, and let's go to replace that also. Okay, and now we look this passenger side this wiper, and there is same idea that I take that and then I reverse a little bit in back in that. This is a little bit stuck, and I move that in reverse. Same idea, and now in this way, now we can see that how this opens in reverse. And there's also this hook. Notice now this my arm went a little bit, and now arm is in hook is in there, and then this my passenger side thing is little bit different idea because I have to install that in this way and then in here in this road, and after that I can install these parts in their inside. And now we notice that it is not this up area, and I check that in here, look, this road, then you find, and then a little bit reverse, and I bend that thing and then I pull out, and now it's free. It was same idea, but I need to rotate this my arm a little bit more. But now it is ready. Good.